Wink Bugs, we're playing the free spins on Chickaboom. Let's see what happens. 6 free games. This goes up to a multiplier of 10 times if you can get it that far. That'd be nice. Unlock. One more to unlock it. Oh, you're not very nice. Keep going. Hope we get a tractor in the middle. No. And 3 more spins after this one. 20 bucks. Okay, we got a rocket which ups all these. Nothing. It doesn't help me if I don't get anything. The match. If I can't unlock it, I don't get it. That's all. Alright, well, 2 more spins. 1 more after this one. Up to $27.50. Spin. Hopefully we get something good here. We got a hammer. Nothing there. That wipes them all out. Unlock them. Plus the 1 spin here. That's good. $22.50 up there. $7. We got 1 more spin. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that's a lot of wilds there. Hope they keep on coming. Don't know what the golden egg. I can't remember. $63.50 on the bonus, and the line hits were up to $70. I'm okay with that. It's 153. Okay. See you on the next bonus.